Be honest. How many goals have you set this year? And how many have you actually achieved? If you're like most people, you've set ambitious goals. Get fit, learn a new skill, start a business, but somehow life happens. And those goals? They fade into the background. But what if I told you? The problem isn't you, it's the way you set goals. In this video, I'll show you how to set goals the right way and actually achieve them, no matter how busy or distracted life gets. Let's go. Why most goals fail. Let's start with the truth. 92% of people fail to achieve their New Year's resolutions. Why? Because most goals are vague, unrealistic, and not backed by a system. Take this goal. I want to get fit. Sounds great, right? But what does fit mean? By when? How? Goals like these are doomed from the start. Without clarity, direction, and daily action, your goals are just dreams with deadlines. The SMART Goal Framework. Enter the SMART Framework. If you've heard of it before, great. But most people use it wrong. Let's break it down. Specific. Your goal must be clear. Instead of get fit, say lose 10 pounds in 8 weeks. Measurable. You need a way to track progress. Achievable. Stretch yourself, but don't set yourself up to fail. Relevant. Your goal must align with your bigger purpose. Time-bound. Set a real deadline. Here's a smart version of our earlier goal. I will work out for 30 minutes, 5 days a week, and lose 10 pounds in 2 months. Now that's actionable. The power of identity-based goals. Here's a secret that can change everything. Don't just set goals, build an identity. Instead of saying, I want to write a book, say, I am a writer. Why? Because when you adopt the identity of the person you want to become, your actions naturally follow. Habits flow from identity. A runner runs. A healthy person chooses water over soda. So ask yourself, who do I need to become to achieve my goals? Systems, goals. Goals give direction, but systems deliver results. If your goal is to write a book, your system is writing 500 words a day. If your goal is to run a marathon, your system is your weekly training plan. Focus on building the right systems, and the goals will take care of themselves. James Clear said it best. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems, tracking and adjusting. You can't improve what you don't track. Whether it's a habit tracker, journal, or app, track your progress weekly. Don't just look at wins. Look at why you missed a goal. Did life get busy? Were your expectations unrealistic? Did you need more support? Then adjust. You're not failing. You're gathering data. Staying motivated. Motivation fades, but momentum builds. Here are 3 hacks to stay motivated. Celebrate small wins. Every step matters. Visual reminders. Vision boards. Sticky notes. Phone backgrounds. Accountability. Share your goals with someone you trust. Or even better, a community. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Conclusion plus call to action. Setting and achieving goals doesn't require superhuman willpower. It takes clarity, consistency, and commitment to small daily steps. So here's your challenge. Pick one goal. Make it smart. Build a system. And take action today. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a push. And let me know in the comments. What goal are you going to achieve this year? Thanks for watching, and remember, the future you want is built one step at a time.